Welcome to my channel. Uh, First of all, I am very happy to talk to you because I think you consider me like your, one of your family member. I feel like that because you send me lot of, messages. Your comments made me, very happy. Me also consider you are my one of sibling. I had one brother, but he is no more. So I always searching my brother face to everybody's face. Every time I search, he when he lost, I realized the value of him. Actually, we never know when one who lived with we never realized the value of them. But once they lost, we really realize the importance of their life, how much importance they are in our life. Me also realized that, he was the only one brother I have. There is no any other siblings. So he committed suicide. He was an alcoholic addict. He never, never allowed words. We treated him, but he never realized the value of life. So I have lost him. Not me, also my parents and his family also lost him. So my parents became, totally alone in my home. They are living in Wayanad, but I am living in, Palakkad, Chalacheri. So in Wayanad, my parents are alone. So you may think why she is telling, saying everything to you. I already told you, you are my siblings. That's why I can telling you without any hesitation to my story, my life. That's why I am telling my, I am frankly speaking to you my life experience, how I become strong. That is the content of this video. So everything, there is no preparation for any video. I take the video, there is no preparation behind me. I am just telling my, life story, my experience. So you can realize, I think you can understand me. I'm not a, I'm not a popular person. I'm not a famous person. I am not a very successful person. But you can, accept. You can accept me, and you realize who I am, and you consider. I always told you like your family member. So, my mother. She has some little bit mental diseases. She already have mental problem, but my brother became this kind of mindset. She her mental problem is become more and more, and when he committed suicide, my mother totally out of in our control. When he lost that time, his death time, she never felt the sadness. That time she also she was very happy to his death. I felt that I told her, this is not the happy time. You must keep your mouth. She told something, and every time she talking anything, without any control her speaking. Then I was totally out of my control. Me also think like that. Oh, I will become mentally person. That time I felt I became the audio. I felt I am also alone. My brother, he lost. I realized I am alone in this home. Actually, we have everyone, our parents, our partner, our children, but our siblings, our blood relation is more important than any other relationship. That I realized that. Actually, we every time we can we think, oh, we are not alone. No, actually they are not in good relation or bad relation, but we have the courage. Oh, no, every time our thinking is we are not alone. So when I lost him, I realized that I am alone in this world. So at the same time, my father became sick, very serious sick that time. So I was totally out of my control. I have no idea what should I do. Everything out of my control. I can't do anything. I have a lot of financial problem. I don't know what to do. I'm alone. My partner, he's an average guy. He's in my home here. My mother-in-law, she is very old, so we want to taking care of her also. So I am alone in my home and taking care of my parents. I want to do, that time I realized lot of responsibilities I have. I am not, like this kind of sensitive. I always crying and, always complaining, crying. And I'm like everybody else, every woman's like. But I changed my mindset. I realized that I have lot of responsibilities. I want to change my mindset. I want to change my attitude. Never become like this sensitive. I want to become more strong. So that time I changed my, entire mindset. I changed myself and to be strong. And I do everything with I realized I have responsibilities made us very strong. Actually we should take the responsibilities. Only we are ready to take responsibilities, we can do more confidently. We will get confident automatically because we have responsibilities. So we should do all our responsibility. Actually we should face lot of challenges, especially financial problems more important than everything. Actually we need money to do everything. Medicine, food, every life we can live without money. So money is more important. So I realized that, and I decided to making more money. I decided to work. Actually I already told you I have no any good qualification. That's why I have lost lot of everybody avoid me because of my knowledge, lack of knowledge. I have knowledge but lack of qualification. Everybody needs the certificate, not our experience or knowledge. So I decided to work myself, self work, and self-employed like. So you are also become mentally strong. Not like my experience. Actually you should take the responsibility. You can become mentally strong. That's I'm sharing with you from my experience. So you should also take the responsibility. We have lot of things do with the responsibilities. So we should realize that, and taking care of our parents. We never avoid our parents' mentality. They, maybe they never give our, any other, we expect something more from there, but never expect anything from there. We should taking care of them. We are the only one to taking care of them. So never avoid them, and take the responsibility of your family, and do hard work, and take responsibility. That will become mentally strong. Today I am very strong person, not 100% strong, but I can do everything with confidently. So I am mentally strong. I think this video is boring. You may feel this is boring video, but my experience is this. So sorry for that boring. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.